Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video that I haven't done in a very long time. I'm filming a makeup video. Quite a few of you guys have been commenting on my videos recently asking what makeup I'm wearing in the video or just complimenting my makeup, and in my recent few videos I've literally been wearing the same makeup look because I am a pussy and I don't like to go outside my comfort zone. But yeah, I thought that since you guys were commenting about it, I might show you what my go-to kind of everyday makeup, if I feel like wearing eyeshadow, has been lately, and all my faves that I've been using. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved this really basic makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. Also, side note, it's really easy because I suck at makeup, and if I can do it, then I'm sure literally anyone can do it. Okay, so I will usually start off putting some pawpaw cream on my lips, just a little bit. And then I don't use a primer. I just can't justify spending money on it. I'm a bit of a tight ass when it comes to spending money on makeup. I don't know, I don't really like to splurge. So I usually just spray my face with this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. Just get that. And then after you let that dry a little bit, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Matte and Poreless in the shade 220 Natural Beige. I just put mine on the back of my hand. I always put too much on. Is that too much? Probably. Yeah, that definitely is way too much. Oh my god. Look at that. Then I take my damp Real Techniques beauty sponge and just dab it on. Foundation's actually like my favorite part of doing my makeup. I just find it so satisfying. And moving on to concealer, lately I've been using this, it's really dirty. Lately I've been using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This concealer is $6. Just saying. I can't even talk about it because it's just great, and it's $6. $6 US. I don't know what that is in Australian dollars, but I will leave the link for everything that I'm using in this video down below if you wanted to check anything out, or just check out the websites that I got it from in general and have a bit of a browse. But yeah, I'm just putting this here on my chin. I like to put it on my mustache because I feel like I get really hectic laugh lines, so I try and eliminate that issue. And then just blending it out with the same beauty blender. Oh, I forgot to say as well, the shade that I have in my concealer is medium 30. I only got this shade because I don't really like my concealer to be really light, which I know most people do like their concealers to be quite light so that it highlights, but I'm also just like mine for coverage, so I didn't get it very light. I got it medium 30. It's like only a few shades lighter than my foundation. Then I'm just going to set the concealer that I just put on, so I'm grabbing my, I honestly don't know where this is from. I think, oh, it's from Rimmel Translucent Setting Powder in just 001 Transparent. And I'm just grabbing this random as brush. I literally have like 3 brushes, so I just use them all for random things that aren't what they're meant to be for. And now moving on to bronzer. My sister bags me all the time because she says that my face looks 2D because I never bronze and it looks like my face is just like nothing. So thanks. But now I've started to use my Hoola bronzer a lot more so that she stops bagging me. So I just have this mini size because I'm poor pretty much, and I'm just taking it with my Zoeva 110 face shape brush. I don't think this is the right brush for this, but yeah, I'm just gonna use it anyway. It usually looks like trash because this isn't the right brush. Why am I making a makeup video? Like, I'm not even good at makeup. I literally suck. I take like shortcuts for everything. and I don't do anything right. And once I feel like I've gotten, oh, that looks like trash. Okay, once I feel like I've done enough damage on my cheek bones, I'll usually start blending it upwards into my temples, just in kind of like a W, a sideways W shape, and then blending it onto my forehead, just almost like two balls on your forehead. There we go. See the difference? I'm just going to finish this side of my face and then we'll move on. Oh my god, the fake tan has like come off under my armpits, so I feel like I have to be like this. And then moving on to blush, I just used this random blush that my mum gave me ages ago. It's from Carmindy & Co. I have no idea what that is. With this random Pure Minerals powder brush, just put it on the apples of my cheek and blend it upwards. I feel like you'd think that I know what I'm doing with makeup because my sister's like a makeup artist, and also my 11-year-old sister is amazing at makeup, and so is my mum. But no, I don't. And then highlighter, I am going to be using this e.l.f. highlighter. I showed this in my Kmart haul, and guys, it's freaking amazing. Like, it's one of the best highlighters I've ever used. I had to kind of like work my way in there, like kind of scrape the top off, but it's freaking amazing. So this is what it looks like. It's like a nice sunsetty, like a warm highlight, which I really like because I don't really like cool tones. What I do to get the most pigment, I take my brush and I kind of just like press it down into it and go like that, and it seems to work. So, and I love a good nose highlight, so I make sure I get that on the tip of my nose and the bridge. Oh my god, my mirror's cracked and I just looked like, I looked like Shrek for a second. See, it's like cracked. Oh, was that really annoying to show you? It's like cracked in the middle, so my face looked literally like an ogre for a second. And then we're going to be doing eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows before I do my eyeshadow so that I can kind of shape them a little bit more with concealer. So for my eyebrows, I'm using this Goof Proof brow pencil by Benefit. This is in shade 3 and it's in the mini size again because I'm POV. It's actually kind of hard to use. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of it, just because it's hard to get different shades. Like, I usually try and do it lighter at the start and then kind of fade off into darker, but it's a little bit hard to do that for some reason. I usually just draw a line under and then kind of push it up. I do this really lightly at the start, and then at the top I usually start a line like maybe this far into my eyebrow. And then start filling on, shut up, why do I even bother talking? And then I'll just start shaping the outlines of the rest of my eyebrow and filling them in. Okay, and now I'm just going to do the other eyebrow. See the difference? That's phenomenal. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the fun bit, which is eyeshadow. Recently I got my hands on the Dream Street Kathleen Lights collaboration with Colourpop eyeshadow palette, and safe to say I'm freaking obsessed with it. One, the packaging is just amazing, like look at that. And then the colours in it, oh guys, this is just absolutely phenomenal. And I've been like way too scared to venture outside these 4 colours up the top because I'm such a pussy when it comes to eyeshadow, and I get too scared to even touch these colours, but I'm obsessed with these. So I think I might do a 3 looks in 1 palette video pretty soon with this palette once I get the lady balls to actually test it out a little bit more. But for today we're just going to be pretty much using those 3 and this one here because that's what I've been doing lately. So first off, I'm just going to be taking this Zoeva 227 soft definer brush and just dipping into this color here, which I think is called Magical. I honestly have no idea. I don't know how the names go on the back, but it's just this like orange one. I will just be putting this on my brow bone and kind of on my lid a little bit, just as a base color for my eye, so that it transitions nicely with the other colors. Okay, so once I feel like I've built that up enough, I am going to go in with my Zoeva 225 Luxe Eye Blender. These are literally my only two eyeshadow brushes. And I'm just going to go in with this color here. There. It could either be called Twinkle or Shooting Star. Okay, I'm just taking that. I'm just going to be putting that in my crease just a little bit below the shade that we just put on. Okay, and then with the same brush, I want to just deepen that color a little bit. So I'm going in with this kind of like a burnt reddy but brown color as well, kind of like a terracotta. Yeah, just that color there. It could either be called Water Bearer. Oh, that's definitely not Water Bearer. The Water Bearer would be blue, you think. So I think that's Potion. Just dipping into that with the same Luxe Eye Blender brush. And we just want it very light. I don't want it to be too intense. Just putting that in my crease. Get off. And blending it out very lightly. We kind of want to put this a bit lower down, like kind of working in towards the outer of our lid. So good with makeup terms. And then I feel like we've lost a bit of colour from the transition, so I'm just going to go in with that orange colour that we started with and just put it just a little bit up here and sort of blend it in with everything. Okay, sorry about that, my camera cut out, but I have just put some glitter on my eyelids. So I used a mix of these two here, which are Stardust and Twinkle, and I just put it on with my middle finger here. Just put it on my eyes. I already put it on, but we're just gonna put on more because it cut out. And then all that's left to do is to just bring everything down onto our lower lash line so that it matches. So I'm just going to be taking a mix of these two here and that one on my lower lash line. Oh, I got it in my eye. And then a little bit of the glittery colors just in the middle or in the inner corner bit. And then we're just going to highlight our brow bone with this color here, which is called Sweet Dreams. Very pretty color. Just put that on our brow bone and inner corner. And then we are done with the eyeshadow, so I'm just going to pop some mascara on. I'm not going to put fake eyelashes on because honestly I never do, because Siebes. But the mascara that I've been using... Hello? Hi. Okay, so now we're going to be putting on my mascara. I've been literally obsessed with this mascara. I didn't really want to buy it just because Benefit stuff is always so expensive and I just can't really justify spending that much money on makeup on like a single product. That's why I got the mini version as usual. But this mascara is so good. I think it's kind of better than the Better Than Sex. They're kind of like on par, but this one just makes your lashes look so long. Like one brush stroke, it's kind of running out now, but at the start when I first used it, like one brush stroke, it was like a whole new set of eyelashes, really. But yeah, I'm just gonna be popping that on. Okay, finally we are done mascara. I feel like that took me like 5 years. And then last step, oh my god, I just remembered I'm not even wearing any earrings. Oh, I feel so naked. Anyway, last step is lipstick, and this has been my favourite lipstick lately. Another Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collaboration. The lipstick is a satin lip and it's called Aquarius. I'm obsessed with this so much. It's this beautiful pinky nude colour. I absolutely love the formula of this. So I'm just gonna put it on. I usually do that on the back of my hand just to make it dry down a little bit more. And then that is it for this makeup look. This is the makeup look that I've been wearing pretty much any day that I wear eyeshadow, and in like all my recent videos lately when you guys have been commenting and asking about my makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It feels super weird to be filming a makeup video because I don't think I've filmed one since last year. Probably because I suck at it, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more makeup videos from me, even though I suck, also feel free. Oh my god, I just hit my funny bone. Oh my god, I'm dead. Anyway, okay, so I forgot what I was saying, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye guys.